Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Google Ads conversion tracking for Shopify store step by step clearly. To configure Google Ads conversion tracking for your Shopify store, start by logging into your Google Ads account. Click on the tools icon in the upper right corner. Under the measurement section, select conversions. Click on the plus button to add a new conversion action. Choose website as the source for your conversions. Fill in the required information about the conversion action. Enter a name for your conversion, like purchase or sign up. Select the conversion category that best fits your goal. Set a value for the conversion, or choose not to assign a value. Configure the rest of the settings according to your preferences, such as counting method and conversion window. Once you're done, click Create and Continue. You will be prompted to set up your conversion tracking tag. Select the option for Install the tag yourself. Copy the global site tag and the event snippet provided. Now, log into your Shopify admin panel. From the admin dashboard, navigate to Online Store and then Themes. Click on Actions next to your active theme and select Edit Code. In the Theme Code Editor, locate the theme.liquid file. Paste the global site tag right before the closing head tag. Next, find the checkout.liquid template to insert the event snippet if you want to track purchases. Paste the event snippet in the order confirmation page. Ensure that the event snippet captures the transaction value accurately. Once you've made the changes, click Save. Next, return to your Google Ads account and click Done. You should see your new conversion action listed under Conversions. Check that your conversion tracking is working correctly by clicking on the Test button. Monitor your conversions in the Conversions section of your Google Ads dashboard over the following days. Adjust your settings if needed, based on your collected data. With these steps completed, your Google Ads conversion tracking is set up for your Shopify store. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.